So today we will learn how to find the reverse of a number in Java. So let's get started. You can see that I open my notepad ++ text editor. You can use whatever text editor you want which is convenient for you. And you can see that I named my Java source file to reverse.java, and I add a lot of instructions already, means to say that I add a lot of code already for the saving of time. So let me explain this one by one. I first import a package called java.util.scanner, which is basically used for taking input from user. Then I name my class as reverse, and I add a public static void main method. Then I specify a scanner object which is t. Now it's time to declare variables which is required for our program, and I am explaining all of them one by one. The first variable that we use is basically a variable n, which is used for whose value is entered by a user and whose reverse we need to find. Then we use a variable called rev, which is basically refers to reverse for storing our result, and it is initialized is 0. Then we write our rest of the instructions, but first we print a message. Enter a number. Here number is refers to variable n. Now it's time to write our main logic. So I am using a while loop, and I specify a condition in that. The condition will be look like this. Now it's time to specify the condition. This loop will execute until n becomes 0. When n becomes 0, the loop will be stopped. Now it's time to write our all of the 3 sections which I have mentioned in my numerical part. So when we are done with our logic part, so if you want to know more about this logic, so please kindly refer to my first numerical, because I explained numerical very well. So please go to check my numerical first. It will be very helpful for you to understand the logic of how these instructions will work. So now we will print our message, means to say that we will print our main result. Now friends, we are done with our coding part. Now it's time to check whether it is running or not. So we are going to our command prompt, and now I am quickly type vn.bat. So I am in my currently working directory where my all Java source files were stored. So I am writing So you can see that it is successfully compiled. Now it's time to run it. So here we want to enter a number like 345. We enter, and you can see that it prints the reverse of the number. So this is it, friend. So friend, this is our program how to find the reverse of a number in Java. So if you like this video, friend, so please give a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you want more stuff like this, and please share this video. So thanks for watching, friends. See you in next video. Take care. Bye bye.